You've been counting calories, you've been walking more, maybe you even feel lighter. But here's something most people never find out until it's too late. The most dangerous fat in your body is completely invisible to you. You can't pinch it, you can't see it in the mirror, and no tape measure will ever find it. It wraps itself silently around your liver, your heart, your pancreas, and your intestines, and it's been quietly running your body like a shadow government, controlling your hunger, sabotaging your energy, and making weight loss feel like pushing a boulder uphill no matter how hard you try. This fat has a name, visceral fat, and what happens inside your body when it finally starts to break down is one of the most extraordinary biological stories you'll ever hear. This isn't a story about dieting. This isn't about six-pack abs or fitting into old jeans. This is about what actually happens at the cellular, hormonal, and organ level when your body is finally freed from one of its most dangerous burdens. Stay with me until the end, because understanding this could genuinely change the way you eat, sleep, think, and live. The moment your body decides to fight back. Here's something that surprises most people. When your body begins burning visceral fat, it doesn't start with your visible belly. It starts with a signal, a tiny biochemical whisper sent from inside your cells during periods of fasting or caloric reduction. That signal carries one clear message: the emergency reserves are now open. Why does visceral fat get targeted first? Because it sits right next to your major blood vessels and organs, making it extremely sensitive to metabolic hormones like insulin, cortisol, and catecholamines. If your body were a city, visceral fat would be right in the capital, minutes from every major decision maker. Subcutaneous fat, the kind you can grab, lives much further out in the suburbs. So when the signal fires, visceral fat responds immediately. It releases free fatty acids directly into your bloodstream, not just as fuel, but as urgent biological memos sent to your liver, muscles, heart, and pancreas. The message reads, "New energy strategy in effect. Switch from sugar. Fat is now the primary fuel source." And just like that, without you doing anything dramatic, a quiet metabolic revolution begins inside you. What happens to your hormones? When visceral fat starts dissolving, your entire hormonal landscape begins to shift, and the changes are profound. Cortisol, your chronic stress hormone, finally gets to stand down. Visceral fat had been keeping it artificially elevated for years, feeding a slow burn of internal inflammation. As the fat retreats, cortisol levels drop, your nervous system recalibrates, and something you may have forgotten becomes possible again: genuine rest, better sleep, emotional steadiness. Then there's insulin. With visceral fat present, your cells had been stubbornly ignoring insulin's messages, forcing your pancreas to shout louder and louder just to manage blood sugar. As visceral fat shrinks, insulin sensitivity returns. The shouting stops. A gentle whisper is enough. Blood sugar stabilizes, type 2 diabetes risk drops dramatically, and sugar cravings, the ones that felt completely uncontrollable, begin to fade on their own. And perhaps most powerfully, adiponectin, a hormone that directly boosts fat burning and blood sugar regulation, begins rising again. This hormone had been suppressed by visceral fat for years. Its return is like hiring the best employee you ever had back after a long absence. Suddenly, the whole operation runs better. Your liver gets a second chance. The liver is the first organ to receive the wave of fatty acids released from melting visceral fat, and what it does with them is remarkable. Rather than collapsing under the load, it adapts. It upgrades its fat-burning enzymes. It begins producing ketones, a cleaner, more efficient fuel source than glucose, producing less oxidative stress and significantly more mental clarity. But the liver doesn't stop there. With inflammation dropping and fatty acid metabolism improving, it also gets back to its true responsibilities: detoxification, hormone processing, blood sugar regulation.
Functions that had been buried under metabolic overload for years are now restored. Research from Washington University showed that 8 weeks of intermittent fasting reduced liver enzyme levels by an average of 25%, with imaging confirming measurable improvements in fatty liver conditions. Fasting doesn't damage the liver, it gives it room to heal. The gut, the brain, and the connection you didn't know about. As visceral fat breaks down and systemic inflammation cools, something quietly extraordinary happens in your gut. The environment becomes hospitable again for beneficial bacteria, specifically lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, species that had been struggling to survive in the inflamed, acidic conditions created by visceral fat. These bacteria don't just help digestion, they produce serotonin. Up to 90% of your body's serotonin is manufactured in your gut. When visceral fat suppresses your gut microbiome, it's not just your digestion that suffers. Your mood, your sleep quality, your emotional resilience, all of it takes a hit. Research from the University of California confirmed this connection clearly. But as the gut heals, the gut-brain axis reactivates. Your gut starts sending safety signals to your brain. Stress responses dial down. Serotonin production rises. People often describe this phase as feeling lighter, not just physically, but mentally and emotionally. Bloating improves. Irritability fades. Sleep deepens. None of this is placebo. It's a real, documented biological chain reaction.
Your body reprograms itself. Here is what makes losing visceral fat different from any other kind of weight loss. When it's gone, your body doesn't just weigh less, it resets its biological operating system. The autonomic nervous system, your fight or flight versus rest and repair balance, stabilizes. Your body's internal set point shifts. Instead of hoarding visceral fat like an emergency survival fund, your body begins to trust its environment. Clean food, reduced stress, quality sleep, these signals now register as safety, and your biology responds accordingly by stopping the dangerous pattern of deep fat storage. Mitochondria, your cellular power generators, start producing energy more efficiently with less oxidative damage. Autophagy, your body's internal cleanup mechanism, accelerates, clearing out damaged proteins and cellular debris that had been building up for years. Your immune system transitions from chronic low-grade warfare to intelligent, targeted defense. You begin to feel it everywhere. Clearer thinking, more stable energy without the afternoon crash, skin that looks healthier, muscles that recover faster, a body that no longer feels like it's working against you. Visceral fat was never just about appearance, it was a systemic disruptor, interfering with every major system in your body simultaneously. And its removal isn't just weight loss, it's a full biological transformation. The kind your body has always been capable of and has always been quietly waiting for the chance to begin.